Jermaine? Not that Jermaine, the other Jermaine. Jermaine, how much minutes it take? We take about 20 minutes of. Why the GPS not like over here, sir? The GPS, but it bring me over that side there. Over that side, the GPS bring me. We walk up and down and try to find it. Then we went back to the school, but we got the wrong way at the school. We have to turn back. Guys, I'm good. Guys, Greater Portmore and the Google that work out well. But anyways, we found Jermaine. We're dropping off a package here. It is 100 degrees. But we're here. This is what we do, right? You ship your packages with us. We bring them, come deliver to you. Whether in Greater Portmore, Lesser Portmore, anywhere in Portmore, we're going to find you. We don't care how the GPS will hack up. We don't care if you want to send a pin in our work. We're going to find you. We're going to deliver your package. And you know, saying I want to go me there. They are on the gully. Well, they are in the gully. If you want to know where to find me. Alright, guys. We're here on the delivery trail. Enough love, enough respect. Thank you so much for supporting us. There's a link here. Continue support. Click on the link if you're not joined yet. Make sure you say you're joined. Remember, your first package shipped for free. You don't know where you're waiting for join. You know. Come on, man. Join us. You're not going to come down in the gully with me. Join us. We're going to ship your packages for you. We're going to find it anywhere you're there. We're going to deliver the package to your doorstep. Alright? Salute. Yeah, man. Enough respect.